Hello there, this is Mr. Davis. This video is going to show you how to get to MyOn. A lot of our Nearpod videos, I'm going to have a book for you to read on MyOn, and for all the links to work, you need to be already signed into MyOn. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to Clever. I will always have a link in the Nearpod, so that way it loads Clever for you. It's going to log you in automatically because you're already logged into Office 365. Then you are going to scroll down and click on MyOn. You're going to get logged into MyOn automatically. Then you need to go to the next slide of the Nearpod. So if you see the blue arrow, you can click the right blue arrow. If a new window pops up, you might just have to close out of that new window. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to click on the right arrow here to go to the next slide. And automatically, it is going to go to Clever. What you need to click is where it says log in with Office 365. Now, I was already on this computer, so it remembered my information. If it doesn't pop up, you just need to type it in again. Remember, it's your full email. I'm going to click there, and then you need to type in your password. For me, it was already saved, so I don't need to type anything in. You might need to type in your password again. I'm going to click sign in, loading, loading, loading. This is a good sign. Now, I'm not done yet. I need to go to MyOn, or else the MyOn links are not going to work. Scroll down. There's MyOn. Click on it. Again, it's going to load, and there I am. I'm in MyOn now. I am all done. I'm not ever going to send you to search for a book, a specific book. I will always link you to that book. So I don't need this MyOn, this tab anymore. So I'm going to close out of it, and I'm going to go back here to my Nearpod. Now I'm done with logging in. I'm going to go to the next slide. Now the next slide might take you to a book. The next slide might give you a mission to do in the book or some kind of assignment details. I don't know. You're not going to know. But I'm done with this slide, so I'm going to go to the next one. Ooh, now it is loading something in MyOn. Now for this practice activity, I had it load a book about Japan. I already read it a little bit, so I have a choice between continuing the book where I left off or starting over. This is going to work the same way as it will ever work on MyOn, where you can play and listen to it. You can mess with the audio, with the volume. You can skip back a little bit. You could skip through like it's a video. If you click this button down here, you have a choice of going ahead to certain pages. You can make it full screen. There's all the different options inside MyOn. When you are done reading the book or whatever I have you read in the book, you can close out of this window, or you can just click this blue arrow and it's going to take you to the next slide. So this practice is all done. If you ever get stuck on this, please go back to this video and rewatch this video. Have fun.